Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to connect Transak customer service. So to get started with the easy guide, the first thing to do is to visit the Transak support page. So to do this, go to the transak.com/help. Then this is their official help center if you want to access that. The link is in the video. Then after that, you have to use the chat we get. So on the Transak website, look for the chat bubbles at the bottom right corner. Then click it to start a live chat with a support agent available during the business hour as usual. Then after that, you have to submit a support ticket. So if live chat is available, go to the help center, then click support a request or contact us, then fill out the form with your issues, details, and submit. And after that, you can also email their support, which is team directly at support@transak.com. After that, for quick update, check Transak official Twitter or Telegram channel just to reach them using their social media account. So that's it. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.